Good morning, students. We'll continue with the 10th lesson, Environmental Economics. In that, next topic is pollution. There are four types of pollution: air, water, noise, and land pollution. We'll go first for the air pollution. There are two types of air pollution. First one is the indoor and the outdoor. Indoor means inside the house, cooking, heating, a fire, traditional fire we are using, no, that is called as a indoor. Outdoor in the sense from the vehicles, burning, solid burning from the industry, that is called as a outdoor air pollution. Next will come the what is the cause for the air pollution. First, from the millions of vehicles, from that vehicles carbon dioxide is coming out, that will cause the environmental air pollution. Next, a fossil fuel based on power plant. So was குப்பைங்களை நிறைய எரிச்சு electric they were taking, no, from that sulfur oxide will come out. So for that some sulfur dioxide will, if it's mixed with the atmosphere straightly, that will react with the water molecules, and then acid rain will come. That is harmful. Next, exhaust from the industry, heavy industry and if it's from the big industries, அதுலேருந்து புகை வரும்ல, that is emit from air, no, that if it's mixed with our atmosphere, that will cause air pollution. Next, construction and agriculture activities. From the construction field, debris ன்னு ஒரு வேர்டு இருக்கும், குப்பை. அந்த debrisனா குப்பை, construction குப்பை, buildings எல்லாம் construct பண்றாங்களே, that. So that also will be the air pollution will cause. Next, ammonia we are using for the agriculture, no, that also will make the air pollution. Next, natural causes means volcano, forest fire, dust storm, puyal காற்றெல்லாம் வருதுன்னா, that also air pollution will cause. Next, household activities, cooking, heating we are doing, mosquito repellent, கொசு variety we use பண்றோம்ல, that pesticides we are using for the agriculture, no, that and all will add also household activities. Next, what will the effect of air pollution? First, respiratory cancer will come, heart problem will come, a respiratory problem will come, மூச்சு திணறல் வரும். So they will come, so it will affect to the asthma. Next, global warming. It started increasing heat means the sea level will rise, because if sea level why it increases means melting of Arctic and Antarctic sea bergs, பனிக்கட்டி எல்லாம் உறைஞ்சிடும். So that will increase the sea level. Next, acid rain, as I said before, from the sulfur oxide, if it's mixed with directly with the atmosphere means that will cause the acid rain. Next is the heteropic. Heteropic means the waste is dumped into the waters, solid waste dumped. If it's dumped means water won't be there, only dumping waste only will be there in that pond or river. So that in that fish, plants and all will die. Next, effect of wildlife. So there is a atmosphere over polluted means the wildlife over nearby a forest area, that animals will move from that place, that is a movement of habitat will come. Next, we'll go for the depletion of ozone tone. Depletion in the sense means reduces, depletion meaning a reduced power at the meaning. So in the ultraviolet ray, UV rays, ultraviolet ray in the ozone layer, that a thickness will reduce. If it's there means chlorofluorocarbons and hydrochlorocarbons directly mixed with the atmosphere means we'll get a cancer, skin cancer will come. Next, human health. Because of all this, most of the people will hospitalized will come. Premature death will be there. Actually, from the as for the census, 4.2 billion premature death because of this air pollution. According to WHO, below 15 years children, about 93% are affected. For the 1.8 billion we can say in that. So these are of causes. How we can be controlled all this means, first one, establish industrial away, town away from the city, build the industry. Next, length of a chimney should be increases. Poga gundirukku சொல்றாங்க, that one should make a lengthy means that air will go straightly to the upward, not in the down, it won't be mixed with the down atmosphere. Next, growing more plants and trees. Next, use the LPG, traditional stove use பண்ணும்போது use the LPGs, நம்ம gas stove at that. Next, use a mass transit அப்படின்னா public transport use it. Instead of using a single vehicle, individual vehicles, it will come more millions of vehicles start using, means carbon dioxide mixed with that much. So instead of that one, use a public transport. Next we'll go for the water pollution. Same way that if it's anything harmful material mixed with the water, it will be harmful for the human health and also for the animals who are surrounding. Types of water pollution. First one is surface water pollution. Surface water pollution means the it from the earth like a river, lakes, lagoons. Lagoon கடல் ஏரி, கடலுக்கு மிக்ஸ் ஆகிற அந்த ஏரி, அதுதான் கடல் ஏரின்னு சொல்லலாம், அதுதான் lagoons. And oceans, all dissolving anything is stuffed in that, stuffed குப்பெல்லாம் அதில் கொட்டினாங்கன்னா that water will pollute it. Next, that water on the top of that one, that is surface water மேலே. Next we'll go for the groundwater under the earth, that means inside. If borewell if you put means no, clean water won't come. If anything pipe போட்டு இந்த குழாய் எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டு oil, they now we can see in the TVs also, no, that if it's any leakage of that one means that area full land will be polluted. அப்போ அங்கே போர் போட்டோம்னா water won't be clean water. Next, from the tanks, septic tanks and the leakage if it's do means that area ground will be contaminated. If you put the borewell also, water also, and if you do the agriculture also, it won't be fertilized, or that agriculture won't be good with a healthy product. We can't get it from that place. Next, microbiological pollution. We are using untreated water straight away from the pond, river. If you are drinking that water, no, from that water there will be more of bacteria, virus will be present. So that will cause the illness for the human beings and also for the animals. Next, oxygen depletion pollution. Oxygen depletion pollution, we can see that Arabic அப்படின்ற word இருக்கு. That means oxygen level is increased, காற்று நிறைய இருக்கும். Anaerobic அப்படின்னு ஒரு word, that means காற்று கம்மியாக இருக்கும். So if it's there means animals in that water, animals will die. So if it's die in that water means that animal, dead animals will create a harmful virus. So that area, that water will be polluted. Toxic water, it will become as a toxic water. Next, what will be the causes for the water pollution? So discharge of a sewage and waste from the garbage, from the agriculture. If it's straightly joined with the rivers means the water which is used for the agriculture means that water won't be useful for the agriculture and also not good for the drinking water, and also animals also will be affected. That is a wastage from the industry or from the any other garbage, septic tank and the straight we are connecting to, that means that water should go straightly to unwanted area. If it's going in the agriculture field means that it on the way it will pollute everything and go. That is what the meaning. Next, dumping of a solid waste. If a dumping of solid waste குப்பையெல்லாம் எடுத்துன்னு போய் ஒரு இடத்துல போடாமல் rivers waterல if water bodiesல if you dump means that also become a water pollutant. Next we'll go for the discharge of industrial waste. Industrial waste in the sense absistence ஒரு word இருக்கும். So கல், that is the stones, or from the waste from the industry, whatever it is there, no, that if you go and dump it with the water bodies, or a lead that animals or that fish is eating means that will affect. So that is harmful for the both for the animals, whatever present in the water bodies, and also for the human. Next, oil spill. Oil spill means the tankers, ship tanks, if it's gone from that ship water is leaked means that area water will be wasted. That solid and the spill of that, not it won't dissolve in the water, மேலேயே மெதிங்கிட்டே இருக்கும். ஓகே, சல்ச் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, சட்லேஜ். அந்த மேலேயே மெதிக்க எண்ணெய் வந்து தண்ணியில் மெதிக்கும், அதே மாதிரி அந்த வாட்டர் ஆன் தட் இட் வில் கோ. So that will, if it's any whatever in the fish in the that area, it will be affected. Next, acid rain. As I said before, if it's affect sulfate dioxide, if it's mixed with the water bodies, it will create the acid rain. Next we'll go for the global warming. As I said before, heat of a surrounding our earth globe means uh, water level will increase, and also in that water the animals, aquatic plants it is there, it also will be affected. Next, eutrophication. That means whatever the inside the water, aquatic ஒரு வேர்டு இருக்கு, algaeன்னு இருக்கும், பாசி, கடல் பாசின்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. Water is, if it's not clean means that algae won't be alive. But if it's algae won't be there means the fish cannot be lay eggs. Fish cannot lay eggs means how the water that a fish will generate. So that will affect. Next, global warming, as I said. Next we'll go for the what will be the effect of this water pollution. First we'll go for the death of aquatic animals. So whatever in that area, in that water bodies, dead fish, crab, birds, seagulls, dolphins, all will die because or otherwise it move from that place. Habitat change in the habitat na வாழ்வாதார அங்கந்து வேற பிளேஸ்க்கு மூவ் ஆயிடும். Next, disturbance of a food chain means if the small fish eats lead or contaminated any chemicals means that small fish is eaten by big fish. So that full chain also will be affected, disturbed. Next we'll go for the diseases. Diseases in the sense, because of this water, if we keep on ecological, we only human only is using a degradation. Our word degradation means we are தரைக்குறைவா நம்ம தான் நடந்துக்கிறோம். So God has given everything, but we are not disciplined way, we are not using. So அதுதான் the degradation அப்படின்னு தரைக்குறைவா நம்ம நடந்ததுனால we are dumping all the solid waste in the water bodies. We should have that common sense. We should not do. For the next generation we are not doing anything. At least we can do. Without doing all this we can avoid it. That's what. So if we keep on doing like that means stagnant water will be there. The water will be stagnant means bacteria will form, waterborne diseases will come, typhoid, malaria, dysentery, jaundice, dengue fever, all will come. So next we'll go for the destruction of ecosystem, because if we human are very careless of all, if we do means it will hurt the human beings and also animals. So because of our carelessness, who will be affected? Only human being. Because of human only will affect. If we treat the nature as a good, nature will give good. If we treat nature as a bad means nature also will give you bad. That's what the conclusion we can say. So what is the remedy for this means water management we have to, அதுதான் மழை நீர் சேமிப்புன்னு சொல்றாங்களே, that also we have to do. Next, construction of a drainage. ஒழுங்கா பாதாள சாக்கடைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே, drainage should be correctly. That water, when the rain time, the water should go on meet with pond or anything like that, it should be there. Maintain a drain line. மழை வந்தா தண்ணி நிக்காம தண்ணி போகணும், the drain. Next, have a treatment plant. That if it's dumped means that in the pond some plant will clean itself in whatever insects in that, so that plant should be grown. Next, regular monitoring of water waste. So the municipal tax they are collecting, so their duty to go and see regular monitoring, correct போய் பார்க்கணும், they have to do. Next, illegal dumping if it's there means from the chemical industry or heavy industry means go and check it. If it's there means we can complain. That's all. This will be the remedies. It is a duty of each citizens also, we can say. Next we'll go for the noise pollution. Excessive sound will be the harmful for the human health and also for the environment. So there are types of first one, atmospheric noise pollution, thunderstorms, electric disturbance, means exhaust means that will be the atmospheric noise. Next, industrial waste from the heavy industries, sound heavy, shipbuilding, iron and steel na sound ஒரே சத்தமா, so that will a noise induced hearing loss will come, காது செவிடாயிடும், அததான் சொல்லணும். Next, man made noise means aircraft. Next, seismic, that means நில அதிர்வு, Okay, that and all. Drilling, if you doing drilling machine sound wrong, that also will be the man-made noise will be there. Next, cause of a noise pollution. If it's there means what will happen. First one, a poor urban planning. If I say if it's a industry is near to the urban means noise will be there. Next, the sound from motor vehicles. From the vehicle, motor vehicle, heavy sounded vehicle it's there means that also will be affect the noise. Next, crackers, patasu வெடிக்கிறது, the loud noise, deafness will affect for the children will have. Next, factory of in machinery, mills, machine, drilling machine, unbearable sound if it's mean that also will affect that workers. Next, what will the effect of that noise? Hearing loss will come. The disease of a patient will be there. So if near to the hospital, if it's there means old people, for them it is very sensitive. Early they will lose their hearing power because of that noise pollution. Next, a damage of physiology and psychological health. Depression will come, aggression, hypertension, high stress will be there. Next, cardiovascular means heart problem will come. Vessel, what vessels அடைப்பு ஏற்பட்டு heart attack also will come. Next, detrimental effect on animals and aquatic life. Means a risk of a death because of over noise, animals also will die. Next, effective on wildlife and aquatic animals means hormone imbalance will become because the this stress hormone will change. Chronic disease stress will come. So what will be the remedy for this means use of a noise barriers means soundless we have to use. Roadway surface transport should be there. Next, traffic control should be there. Heavy vehicles should be avoided. Noise barriers in the workplaces also should be there. சத்தம் வராம இருக்கிறதுக்காக மிஷின்லாம் noise control இருக்கும், அது we have to use this. Regulation of loudspeaker, if it's there means wherever needed you use, simply don't use, that's what they tell you. Next is a land pollution. Degradation of land, disposal of water waste on the land also will pollute the land pollution. There are types of land pollution. First one is solid waste, rubbish, paper, plastic, container, bottles, cans, food we keep on throwing on the land means land also cannot control. For some extent only it can be limited. Beyond the limit means it also cannot be there. Electronic goods. So it's next we'll go for the pesticide and fertilizer. If we keep on using in the agriculture field, farming, we are using all the chemicals means that land also will be polluted. Next, deforestation. Keep on cutting all the trees means usually trees will absorb carbon dioxide. It releases oxygen. If we don't have oxygen means for whom it is affected, human beings only will be affected. Next, cause for the land pollution. First, deforestation. Keep on cutting the trees means deforestation, there will be no oxygen will be there. Next, we'll go for the agriculture activity. In the farm field, using a fertilizer, insects to get rid of insects, we keep on using chemicals means that will contaminate the poisonous, that land fully it will become as a poisonous. Then it won't be fertile for any next harvesting. Next, mining activities. Keep on digging and taking all the resources, extracting more resources from that area means that area also will be affected. Next, landfills. So garbage, plastic, paper, cloth, wood, hospital waste keep on accumulating and putting there without recycling we are using means that land fully will be polluted. Next, industrial waste. Due to the deforestation, industry will keep on releasing all the gases means that will affect if its trees are there means that will absorb and it will give the oxygen. trees also is not there, industrial waste also is there, means fully that atmosphere will be affected. Next, construction activities taking place in the large waste mm, articles, wood, metals, bricks, plastic, all will be dumped in the land area, means that land area will unfit for the agriculture. Keep on using all the land like this means the agricultural land will be reduced. Next, in nuclear waste, human health, chemicals keep on dumping in the one area or a land, means that land also will be affected inside the land, that is beneath of the earth, means நிலத்து உள்ள அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். That land also will be, if we put bore wells or a well, if we digging means no good water won't be there, that area will be fully affected. Next, what will be the effect of land pollution? Soil pollution will be there. Upper layer also will be damaged if we keep on using pesticides, fertilizer using, means that fertilizer product if you are eating, means animals also will be affected, pet animals also will be affected. Next, health impact. Health impact in the sense of skin diseases will come, respiratory system will be damaged, cancer will come, skin cancer. Keep on using that pesticide chemicals product, food, vegetables, keep on eating, means cancer will come. Next, the causes for the air pollution. Abnormal toxic, if it's started mixing in the air, means respiratory diseases will come, as asthma will come. Next, effect on wildlife, means the animals will move from one place to another, the loss of habitat, அங்கே இருந்த animals it will go and move to the other places, so we'll lose the many, and that animal will disappear from the world also, so we cannot find that animal once again, that species won't be there. That insects or many animals is disappearing. Keep on, if we keep on doing same thing, means more animals or species won't be there in this world. Next is a remedial to measure the control of land pollution. What we can do to control all this? First one is recycle the whatever we are using, if it's a wastage or a water, means recycle and use it. Then after using, if we cannot be, means then it will be put as a waste, and then again it will go to the land. Without controlling recycling, keep on using chemicals, that chemicals will go and mix it with rivers, means that will make a land pollution. Next, buying a biodegradable product, don't use a chemical product, use a which is a biodegradable, நேச்சுரா யூஸ் பண்ண அந்த ஃபுட்ஸா vegetables, that product you use it. Maybe anything. Minimize the usage of in the field of agriculture, reduce the pesticles means chemical use பண்ற product you don't take it. If you are not buying, means they won't be producing. Then shifting a cultivation should be there. Next, dispose of unwanted garbage should be controlled. எதுக்கெல்லாம் தூக்கி எறியுது அந்த waste you control it. Burying under the soil should be there. So next we'll go minimize the plastic uses. So these are all about the pollution, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution. So noise pollution. So thank you.